Hey everybody, welcome to my channel, Just a Man and His Cameras. Today's prop justice. We're flying the Air65II by BetaFPV Champion Edition. Now, if you watch the IGOW6 challenge, I love pushing myself to learn new stuff, and challenges are a fun way of doing it. But in the process of doing that, and the tire of death, if you've watched my videos, I will post a yeah, I broke the frame. One of the little connectors for one of the motor mounts. I have a 3D printer, and so I printed the frame with TPU 95A. Now, this is highly flexible. There will be no breaking this frame, but I do worry that it's too flexible and it's going to get into the props and cause some flying irregularities. What better way to test this than on a very wet, grassy day? And it's probably going to start raining at any minute. But also, thanks to Eco in the Squatting Quads Discord channel, I'm trying out some bi-blades. I have ordered frames, by the way, some actual frames. I ordered those also from We Bleed FPV, but I wanted to test this out. This frame does weigh like 3-4 grams more. I wanted to mention the goggles. These are the Sky Zone Cobra X V4s. I had issues with the first goggles. Wouldn't record DVR. Just wouldn't do it. We tried everything. After weeks of messaging Sky Zone, they finally got back with me. Very helpful after the fact. They sent me the bare bones of the goggles. Now, with all that said, the goggles work just fine. Do I like these goggles? No. At least I don't think I do. See, I don't have no knowledge of how any other goggles work, but I can tell you right now, I don't like them. I think the reception sucks. I think everything about them kind of sucks. But they work. Let's see how this thing freestyles, because in the end, that's what I needed to do. I needed to do some flips and rolls and, you know, all that good stuff. I'm actually done yapping. Let's get to flapping. I don't know why I keep saying that. That's stupid. All right, Air65II Champion with the bi-blades and the 3D printed TPU frame. What's the worst that could happen? Huh. All right. It does pretty good. Ooh, almost hit my building because the static on this stupid thing, which I am standing pretty far away. But, I mean, it does pretty good. I can't see once I get down there. I have to be sitting closer to the wherever I'm going to be. But, I mean, see if I can get into the camera's view here. Here I am. For just 4 grams heavier, I mean, it flies pretty good. I can't complain. I mean, not really. I could complain. Now I do have the camera at the most level of of settings. So I thought that might help with the tire of death, which, you know what? I think that's my next move, is getting down to the tire of death, but I need a chair. You know what though? Hold up. Next battery, we're gonna try to power loop myself. This is gonna end well. This is not gonna end good. Damn. Impressed. Let's try to power loop myself. Alright, we're gonna try to take off from my hand.
Telemetry recovered.
I'm gonna get my finger out of the prop. Sorry. I'm gonna try to power loop myself through my legs. Oh, okay. Alright. Well, that worked pretty decently. Alright, here we go. What's the chances? Huh. Well, it didn't work, but I find the goggles are a lot more comfortable. Alright, here we go. Taking off.
And flip.
Alright. Alright, so we got a little work to do with that. Oop. No ground tapping. I can cover my legs. Anywho. Can I power loop? No. Alright. Yeah. Wow. That is going to do it for the Air65II Champion with my 3D printed frame. You can kind of see it. It's got a little dirty. Yeah. And we cut a little bit of grass. And the bi-blades. Thanks, Eco. I kind of like them. That's going to do it for today. Hope you all enjoyed seeing me attempt to power loop myself and trying out this 3D printed Air65 frame, which I'm sure there's several of you out there that have done this. But this was my first time. And you just don't see too many videos, so obviously I assumed this wasn't going to go very well, but that's going to do it. Y'all, hit the like button if you want to see more, or if you like this video. And if you want to see more, subscribe. And there'll be more content coming, I promise. Because this hobby is the bomb. Anyway, that's going to do it. We'll see y'all in the next video. Bye for now.